Oglethorpe Street.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where are you?
And that's your truck.
What?
You okay? See your hand? Your other hand. Look, your hand. Okay. All right. You're good. Okay. All right. You're fine. Hold on, sir. Hold on. Don't wait.
Don't go now.
Hold on. Relax. Listen, we got a call, okay? We got a call. Are you okay?
Yes.
All right. Do you want to harm yourself?
No.
You don't want to harm yourself.
That's right.
Okay. We got a couple calls today. Otherwise, we got a couple calls today saying that you weren't right today. You weren't feeling good today. And we want to make sure you're okay. You're not in trouble or anything. You didn't do anything illegal. We're not here to arrest you, anything like that. We want to make sure you're okay.
We go. How many cops here? 4?
4.
Yeah. I'm fine.
You don't want to harm yourself today?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you want to talk to a medical professional real quick? Somebody that's not police?
I have an errand I have to run right now. I'd like to run my errand.
Okay. So we got a call today that you contacted your doctor and wrote a letter.
Yeah.
Saying that you were worried about the FBI was looking for you and they wanted to do harm to you.
Yeah.
That sounds familiar.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you worried about that?
No.
Okay. Do you want to harm yourself?
No.
You don't want to harm yourself.
Correct.
Okay. So we also got another call where the doctor didn't feel comfortable. They're dismissing that. Doctor took it very seriously.
What's that?
Your doctor called. I believe this. I didn't get it right. I think it was Doctor. Well, your doctor called our station up,
Yeah.
and she was sent over here earlier to talk to you and make sure you're okay, and make sure you're not thinking about any suicide.
Right.
Any kind of suicidal thoughts?
No.
You don't feel as though you want to end it all?
No.
Why would she tell us that?
I have an errand I have to run.
It's about.
No?
What's about? It's probably been calling you now.
Can't talk to you now. We talk to you later. Bye-bye. What?
So like I said, so why would a doctor call and tell us that? That I said, I don't know you. I haven't talked to you. That's why I want to talk to you face to face and make sure that we can get this all figured out.
I'm telling you that I don't intend to harm myself, and I don't intend to harm anyone else, and I have an errand to run, and you need, that's it. That's the end of the story.
Okay. The second thing I got a call on was you went to somebody at Crescent Cities. And you were, yes. And was it true you went to Crescent Cities today? Crescent Cities? Over here, the nursing home?
Crescent Cities.
Yes, sir. Nursing home right here on East West Highway?
You mean the old Leyland Hospital?
Yes, sir.
So what? I haven't been in there. I haven't talked to anybody in there.
Okay, so we got a call. We had a second call today. A second call on you, saying that you want to drop your cat off at the veterinarian.
Yeah.
Make sure, and that way you can't be looked out for, because you have the intention to harm yourself. That's the second call we got. Not only did we get 2 calls on it, we got the second call.
From Crescent Cities.
The first call was from your doctor. Yeah, and the second call was from a person, an employee at Crescent Cities.
I don't know any employees at Crescent Cities.
I mean, they work there, or they visiting, or somebody knows you. Apparently somebody knows you. Somebody you must talk to, somebody knows you, and they
I don't know anyone there.
Okay.
Okay.
So we plan on dropping your cat off at the vet?
Yeah.
Why?
She's too much of a burden for me to look after.
Okay. Alright. So you don't plan on doing no harm to yourself?
No.
Alright.
Do you have any weapons in the house?
Do you want a firearm?
Your records show me owning three firearms.
I'm sorry, what's that?
Yes, your weapons show me owning three firearms.
Okay.
They all registered to you?
Yeah.
ID 130. ID 130, go ahead. I'll be today, Saturday 14, stock 5, video.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Sir, go ahead and stay down here for me, please. Sir, stay down here for me. Sir, stay down here for me. Sir, stay down here for me. Hey, stay down here. Stay down here. Come on.
Get him. Go. Shot fire! Hands up!
Come on.
Hands up!
Hands
up! You hit! Chad, you hit!
No, I'm good.
What?
All personnel, please evacuate to the nearest lab and report to your supervisor.
He grabbed
Do not move.
him, pointed in my direction.
Do not move. 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 7-8. 7-8 recovered. Shots fired. Start EMS. Jack him out. Grab him. Fuck. Shit. Down.